Did you know Jude Law's net worth is a massive $45 million? His money comes from his amazing performances in movies, television, and theater. He also appears in TV commercials, which are his big earners. So, how exactly does he spend his massive net worth? And what are some of the exciting purchases that he made recently? Let's find out. Hollywood actor Jude Law spends thousands of dollars on cosmetics and anti-aging products. The Sherlock Holmes actor was recently spotted on a shopping trip at a cosmetic store where he was seen handing over $3,000 for wrinkle creams, reports Female First. The 37-year-old star, who was in the shop with a female companion, was recognized by a girl in the queue who later said, "His beauty products are more expensive than mine. He will be wrinkle-free for life." Stay tuned for the full scoop about Jude's millionaire lifestyle. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to give you some crazy details about the millionaire lifestyle of Jude Law. So, make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Jude Law is an English actor, born and raised in London, who started his career acting in theater. He has received 2 Academy Award nominations, 2 Screen Actor Guild Awards, 4 Golden Globe Awards, and he also won 1 British Academy Award and was nominated for it 3 more times. Jude Law is famous for his many outstanding performances, including playing Dickie Greenleaf in The Talented Mr. Ripley, Dr. John in the Sherlock Holmes series, and Harlan Maguire in The Road to Perdition. His famous car collection includes an Audi A8, which he bought for $85,000, a Mercedes CLK worth $74,800, and a Mercedes SL 550 worth $103,650. According to sources, the first car he ever purchased was a Mercedes-Benz SL 380 worth $45,000. He even gifted his girlfriend, Philippa Cohn, a brand new Lexus. Jude Law is an icon. He spends most of his net worth to maintain a healthy lifestyle and also spends a great amount of money on charities and fundraising programs. Jude Law just renovated his mega mansion for $500,000. So, what are the unique features of his home? Well, don't worry, that is next on our list. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Jude Law owns a mega mansion worth $8 million, and he recently spent $500,000 to renovate this mega mansion and add some amazing features to it. The mansion is located in Highgate, North London. It currently consists of 8 luxurious bedrooms, but after renovations, there will only be 5 bedrooms. The remaining rooms will be converted into a meeting room, dressing room, and theater room. Law also plans to install solar panels to the roof and a steam room next to the master bedroom. He also owns a luxurious home in Malibu, California. Jude Law is a foodie and spends his time visiting expensive hotels around the world and indulging in their different cuisines. In an interview with Vulture magazine, the actor revealed that he follows an intermittent fasting diet, in which he only eats between noon and 8 p.m. He said, "I love restricting what I'm eating, like really starving myself and only drinking water, and eating like pulses and vegetables. And then I love excessive banquets, trying different types of foods and wines. I mean, we're only here once, right?" Jude Law is a great example to us all of how hard work can lead to success. Today, he is enjoying a millionaire lifestyle that many of his fellow actors admire. He is a skillful actor who is well trained in the basics needed to be a success in the profession. And that's all for today, guys. What do you think about the millionaire lifestyle of Jude Law? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.